what's inside of you. No, really, what's inside of you. You know, if you take a lemon and you squeeze it, what comes out? What comes out? Let me ask a different way. If your little brother squeezes a lemon, what comes out? What if you squeeze a lemon in the middle of the night? What comes out? What if you squeeze a lemon in the middle of the desert? What comes out? I know, right? Lemon juice. What if you take a hammer and you hit a lemon, you just smash it? What squirts out? Okay. What if you're sick and you squeeze a lemon? What comes out? You probably wondering right now, what am I doing? Where am I going with this? What comes out is what's inside. And that's the same thing. That's the same way it goes with you. When you're squeezed, what's inside of you comes out. When you're hit, what comes out of you is what's inside. When you face tough times, what comes out of you is what's inside. When it's difficult, what comes out of you is what's inside. So I ask again, what's inside of you? What is inside of you? So here's the thing. You might not like what's inside of you. The fear, the anxiety, the frustration, the low self-esteem, the lack of will. So how do you change it? It all begins in your mind. So if you want to change what's inside of you, you got to change your thoughts. You got to change how you look at things. And so, if you want to get something different out, you got to put something different in. What's inside of you? Because whatever's inside of you is the only thing that can come out of you. My name is Charles D. Coach Wilson. It is my intent that you got something of value from this. Woo. What's inside of you? I'll talk with you later.